Which shape shows the fraction 6 out of 7? Well, 6/7 means we want the fraction of shaded pieces over the total pieces. So why don't we try to find out which of these shapes have 7 equal pieces total? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so it could be you. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh, more than 7, so I'm not even going to bother. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so it can't be you. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so way too many, can't be you either. So this is our only option, but let's just make sure. Let's count how many of these are shaded, and we need to have 6 of those shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 shaded parts over 7 total equal pieces, and that's going to be our answer.